guys, so today's an exciting day because guess what I got in the mail? The dresses. Okay, so let's first open the Lulu's package because that's the first one that I ordered, so I feel like we should just go in order. The name of this one is Beyond Classy White Satin Halter Midi Dress, and it's really cute. It's the one that like crosses up front. There was only one review on this dress on the Lulu's website, and it said that they didn't like the fit, and I knew what they were talking about because sometimes satin dresses are like hip hugging, but because of that, they don't really hug your waist well, so they tend to like bulge out up front, and that's what that person was saying. So I'm hoping that this one fits. I got this one in a size extra small. I originally wanted to buy it small just because I feel like it flows a little bit better when it's small, but they were sold out, so I'm gonna try and see, and I hope that it fits well. So let's open it. I love how they like wrap it and they put a little sticker on it. And this is what it looks like. The material is super soft. It's also lined inside, but it's still a little bit see-through. I don't know if you can see my fingers through that. This one does have a little leg slit. It also has a scoop back. So this one is going to require one of those pasty bras, and I will show you which one I'm going to use. It's the one where like you paste both of them and it has a clip that kind of like keeps your girls supported. And I think I bought that one from Target. So okay, the second one, this is the one that I'm really excited to open. This is so cute. So this one I got in a size small, just because I looked at the measurements of this dress, and because I've never shopped at Selfie Leslie before, I felt like you should look at the measurements just to make sure that it'll fit nicely. I'm hoping that this one will fit. It looks a little small, but I loved how it fit on the model. It was so like form-fitting and flattering, and it was a little bit on the short side, but I feel like for pictures this one would look cute. Maybe I can wear two dresses for the elopement day, maybe wear that one to the courthouse and this one more for pictures after. But yeah, I love the little sleeves, and I feel like it's gonna be very form-fitting. I really hope that this fits because I really need it to fit. But it also has like a beige lining inside, so that's why you can really see the detail of the flowers, and I just think it's gorgeous. So let's try them on. Oh my gosh, are you guys ready? I don't think you guys are ready to see this dress. It's insane. You guys, can you believe this? Like, it's the perfect fit. I really thought it was gonna be smaller because I read the review or whatever, but this dress fits like a glove. I was so scared that the extra small was gonna be way too small, but it even is a little bit baggy on me, so I'm really happy with how the fit looks and everything. I was also a little scared about the back because normally I have like back rolls and I don't like to show that off, but this dress does a really good job of like not being way too tight in the back area. The only thing is that this like halter thing is a little bit tight on my neck, so you kind of have to get used to that, but other than that, this dress is a dream. It fits like a glove, and I think this might be the one, but let's try on the other one. Okay, this dress is just as cute. It's definitely more springy, florally, and I won't talk anymore. I will just show you guys what it looks like. So I love this dress. It seems so bridal to me with all the lace and the cute little ruffles. And you can definitely put this up. It just kind of falls. Yeah, this dress is so nice. I love the fit. It's definitely very form-fitting and tight. I feel like I feel more relaxed in the other one, and I'll feel a little bit more comfortable. I can't choose one. They're both gorgeous and they're both like super bridal. Let me know out of the two which one you guys like the most. Obviously, this is a decision I have to make myself, and when this video goes up, I would have already chosen one of these dresses to wear, but I love to know your opinions. And like always, I will make sure to link both of the dresses I wore in the description box so that you guys can check them out yourselves. But yeah, I have a couple of months to think about it, so I'm gonna be doing some hard thinking. Hey guys, so we're on our way to pick up Fionn's wedding ring today. We ordered it about a week ago, and he fell in love with this particular style, which I will show you guys later, but it is supposedly inspired by a Lamborghini tire. So apparently the imprint that a Lamborghini tire makes, and then they filled the imprint of the tire with gold or white gold, and so he decided to choose the white gold so it matches my ring. Huh?
It's a forged carbon.
Do you want to explain it?
No.
He says it's a forged carbon ring. I'm more of a classic girl, so I feel like he should have gotten a white gold wedding band, but the lady did say that those get scratched up a lot more, so he decided to go for something that's more him and more his style, and that's what he went for. So yeah, we're gonna go pick it up. So we're back in the car. We finally picked up the ring and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like, or I'm gonna have Fian do that. But yeah, we went to David Yurman, picked up his ring. We got this ring a couple of weeks ago and we had to wait for it to arrive, obviously. And Fian also ended up getting me a necklace. So it's the matching one to my ring. And my parents had gotten me the earrings for Christmas, and then he got me the really cute necklace that matches, so now I have the full set. But we ended up getting his and I'm so excited to show you guys what it looks like. How do you like your new ring?
Feels weird. I'm not used to wearing rings.
I can see you admiring it. Hey guys, so it's been a while since I have done anything for these elopement videos. It's I think been like over a month since I've shot anything, and yeah, it's been a long time. I'm even a brunette now, so it's been a while. So today, Fian and I are going to be going to the courthouse to file for our marriage license, and yeah, I already sent in the application a couple of days ago online, and they give you like a little code, and then you just go to the courthouse, give them that so they can pull up your application, and then, you know, verify your identification and all that. And you have 60 days after you file for your marriage license to get married, and it's a little less than a month now. Today is March 28th. When I first started these videos in January, I was like, oh, April's like forever, you know, it's like 4 months from now, and it's less than a month away now. It's insane. But yeah, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. It should be pretty smooth and straightforward, and yeah, let's do it. So we just left the courthouse and it's official. We are getting married, and it was such an easy process, honestly. We just took our passports, but you can take your license and you just show it to them. I gave them the application number and that was it. We just signed some stuff and we were good to go. So now we're just waiting till April 22nd for the big day. Hello everyone. So it has been about a week or so since I last checked in with you guys when we went to get our marriage license, and today is April the 6th. That means that we're about like two and a half weeks away from the elopement day, so it's really exciting. Okay, I moved the camera just so that you guys can see a little bit better. Hold on. Okay. Yeah? Maybe. So pretty much Fian and I settled on the fact that the elopement day obviously is going to happen at the courthouse, but after that we want our family to like come over either here to my house or to a restaurant, and we'll have, you know, like a nice lunch slash dinner and just kind of like celebrate our marriage. I still want to exchange vows with Fian and, you know, make promises that you would make like in any other marriage. I definitely want to have something that is very memorable and like sentimental and that he can cherish even for like today, not just wait until the wedding and be like, okay, no, we'll wait for everything that day. So I just started going on Google first, and then I went into Etsy because they have such cute things, and I found these cute little books. They're vow books that looks like a card that you would buy at like, you know, for like Valentine's Day or whatever, but it's white and it says to my husband on our wedding day, and then there's another one that says to my wife on our wedding day, and it has this really cute like bone colored bow on it. Super cute, and it was quite expensive for a card, but I felt like we are doing something low-key and like this is our wedding. It's only gonna happen once. I really wanted to be special, and so I ended up ordering these because I think it would be really cute for us to remember like how we felt that day and actually have vows. But a cool thing about this is that you can actually personalize these, and so they will write the date, so like April 22nd, 2022, and then they'll also write Lauren's vows and Fian's vows on it. So I'm excited. I ordered those today, and it says that they'll be delivered April 18th through the 20th, like that's the timeline. So I was really kind of close. I'm so glad I did it today and not like 2 days from now, because I don't think it even would have arrived by then. And I also have to get to writing my vows because I haven't even started doing that, but yes. I will get to that. I will also make sure to link them down below in case you guys like them and you want to buy them yourself. But yeah, I'll check in with you guys later. Hey guys, what's up? So today is April 20th. We have 2 days to go until our big day, and I actually just got off the phone with Disney Cruise Line. I will fill you guys in a little bit. I just kind of want to set this up because I started shooting without having a setup. I think I'm going to do it on my bed, so Be right back. Okay, so there are 2 days to go. It's insane. I feel like time has literally flown throughout this video. I mean, it went by really quick for you guys, but I swear has gone just as fast for me. So I just got off the phone with Disney Cruise Line because Fian and I, we have already decided on everything that we're gonna be doing the day of, but we are planning a trip to Paris in early May, but we started thinking and we're like, okay, we're gonna get married on a Friday and then we're just gonna wait until May to then go to Paris. So then we decided, like, let's go do something fun. That weekend we looked into like Disney hotels because we have Disney passes, so it would be fun to like stay in a hotel and then go to Disney, you know, have like the whole Disney experience. But then we were like, okay, we kind of don't want to do that. The hotels are really expensive at Disney right now. I think it's because it's like still spring break and it just wasn't what we really wanted to do. So maybe let's do a little weekend in Miami. And I wanted to stay somewhere like nice. So we looked into the Ritz-Carlton and it was almost $2,000 for 2 nights. If you go on cruises and you've ever been on a Disney cruise, you know, sometimes if you are a Florida resident, you can find like better deals where you can pretty much book a whole trip for the same price as the Ritz-Carlton. So we decided to go on the Disney Cruise Line website and we found a cruise literally leaving on Monday, not the weekend. It's a 4-day cruise to the Bahamas. We've done this one before, but it was the same price as staying at the Ritz-Carlton for 2 nights, which is kind of insane. And like food is included, entertainment, you go to the Bahamas, like it's kind of a no-brainer. So yeah, so that's what we're doing for a like little honeymoon. And then we come back home. We're here for a little less than a week, kind of unpack and then repack so that we can go to Paris. So it's gonna be a hectic last week of April / first half of May. Anyways, the reason why I wanted to shoot this right now is because the vow books came in, and also I did order like a little like faux veil from Amazon that was like $10 just for pictures and some gloves, and I thought that I would unbox them and show you guys what I got. So let's do it. Okay, so first up we have the little vow books. So it came with this little like shredded paper situation, and then they come in this plastic. I've already opened this. I've taken them out because I was so excited. And then she sent the cutest little card in here. I will put the box down. Like I said, I will link her Etsy down below so that you guys can check it out. And she also wrote a note on the back, which is so cute and personalized. It says, "Lauren, thank you for your support. I hope you love your vow books, Rebecca." And pretty much so you guys know, she was involved in the process. She sent me kind of what they were gonna look like. She asked me if I wanted to change anything, and then I ended up changing it to say Fian's vows and Lauren's vows at the bottom. And then she sent me a proof of what it was gonna look like and I approved it. I got really lucky with these because she actually closed her shop like a couple days after I ordered these because she had so many orders. Maybe by the time I upload this, she's probably already opened it. But anyways, let's open these. So like I said, I already opened them because I was so excited. I wanted to see what they look like. But they're these cute little cards, and this is the "To My Wife" and this one's the "To My Husband." And this is pretty much what they look like. They also have Fian's name with Fian's vows and then the date that we're gonna be getting married. And then you have some pages inside so that you can write your vows. I actually did write my vows already and they're a little bit long, so I like that I have a lot of room in here to write, and I write pretty small, so I think I can write like a whole book. And I also like that you can choose a color for the bow. I went with the bone color because I just love like the beige and white look to it. As you guys can see, I have like a lot of beige, gray, white colors in my room, and I just thought that this was like very classy. And I'm honestly so excited. I haven't given Fian's his obviously yet, so I'm gonna give it to him soon so he can write his vows and then we can exchange them on our wedding day. And then next up, I went on Amazon and I ordered a couple of things. I really wasn't sure if I wanted a veil or not for like the elopement, and I thought, okay, for $10 just for pictures and like, you know, have a cute moment, maybe wear it just for pictures, but at least I have like a cute little veil. So I ended up getting one and I haven't actually opened this yet. And then I also got some lace gloves for, I don't know how much this was, but I will make sure to link them down below in case you guys like them. I've never tried any of these brands. Like I said, they're pretty like cheap things. I didn't spend a lot of money on these. It's just for pictures and kind of to get like the cute bridal vibe. This is the little veil. It's quite long. I didn't think it was gonna be this long. And I like tulle because you can definitely cut it as long as you know, do a good job of cutting, but I'm gonna wear it just to see what it looks like. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, I don't know if you can see it because it kind of blends in with my bed, but so this is the veil. I don't know if I'm gonna wear it or not. Hopefully I do because I bought it, but I think it would look pretty when I have my hair like down and I actually do something to it. Okay, and then the next thing are these gloves. Okay, so these are the gloves and they have like this cute floral design. They're kind of cute, I'm not gonna lie. So initially I got these gloves because I thought it would be cute to have like lace gloves with the lace dress. I don't know if it's gonna match the print, and if not, then you know, it is what it is. But I tried to find like a floral print that was the closest to it. Also, I did buy some some other things from Michael's. I went with my mom the other day and we found some cute things, so I will go get those really quickly just to show you what I got. I'll be right back. So first thing that I got is a little cake topper because, so I got these two from Michael's. It says Mr. and Mrs. and but yeah, so we're gonna put these on the cake. We ordered a cake from like a local bakery and it was pretty short notice because we just went yesterday. It's gonna have smooth sides, and then the lady showed me inspiration of like flowers on top of the cake, and I'm gonna make all of the flowers and the leaves and everything white. So it's just a completely white cake that's smooth, and then it has some cute flowers, and then it's gonna say Mr. and Mrs. And then the other thing that we got is this, which is a cake plate and fork set for the bride and groom. It says Our Wedding in the middle, and then has these gold forks with the cute little plates. I don't know if we're gonna use them, but if not, we'll return them. And then the last thing I got are these ribbons, because my shoe idea for the day of is I have these white pumps that are actually my mom's, but they are like completely white heels, but I wanted something that had like a strappy look to it. So I just thought I like these, but I want to add a little bit of a cute look. But pretty much you tie the ribbon around the heel of your foot, and then you start like strapping it, and then you put your heel on, so it looks like you have strappy heels but with this like very sheer ribbon. And I think it's gonna look really cute. I just have to try which one looks better. I will let you guys know the day of and also show you what I'm talking about if you guys don't understand this. But yeah, so this is everything that I had to show you guys. I can't believe that we are just 2 days away, but today I'm going to try and finalize everything. What I'm gonna be wearing, how I'm gonna be doing my hair, what I'm actually gonna be using, what pictures we're gonna be taking and where and everything, and just doing some last minute things to make sure that the day is as perfect as possible. I am so thankful for you guys for watching this series if you followed along. I'm really excited to show you the grand reveal, everything that I've been working on these past few months, and take you guys along with me during my elopement day. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Like always, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and stay tuned for tomorrow's episode. Bye.